Do you remember there was a clip of a Nigerian brother outside the Kaaba? What was he saying? Fulus, fulus. Do you know what happened to that brother? Wallahi, he's one of the rich guys. Did you follow that? Follow. Go check it. Go online. You can Google it. What happened to the brother? They call him Akhi. As soon as they see him, they say fulus, fulus. Instead of Assalamualaikum, he was complaining. When people see me, they say fulus, fulus. They forget to say Assalamualaikum. Because on social media, you get to be known with certain things. But the brother became wealthy. Then I found out that actually that clip is only a small portion of his dua. The full dua, he started off by saying, oh Allah, forgive us. Oh Allah, grant us the ability to worship you. Oh Allah, grant us this and that. And he was asking Allah's forgiveness and mercy and Jannah and everything. And someone loved the dua and was listening to this guy crying to Allah, and he turned the camera and he started videoing it. By the time the video started, he was already nearly at the end of the dua. So after he asked all for forgiveness and for Jannah and for good wife and good children and so on, then he started asking for fulus. So then when he says fulus, fulus, what happened? You and I, when you see the clip, what do you think? You think negative, that this guy is only asking for fulus. But later on he said, wallahi, that's not true. They asked Allah for everything, but these guys only recorded. That's why be careful online when you see a clip of anyone. Don't believe that that's the whole story. Sometimes there's a big story that you don't know. It's a very important piece of advice. Social media, we are living at the age. That man became wealthy. If you go to his accounts on social media, he's showing you. He drives the latest BMW. And mashallah, he moves and cruises. I don't even want to tell you how big his family is, because someone might be offended because they don't even have a wife. May Allah grant us ease. May Allah grant us goodness. My beloved brothers and sisters, Allah is the owner. You ask Him, you knock His door, you read, you fulfill your prayers. What He told you to do, you stay away from what He told you to stay away from. And you work hard. And if you fall, you seek His forgiveness. Allah will open the doors for you. Allah will give you.